Hey guys, welcome back to Oyo Ducky's Kitchen. Let's make non-dairy milk. So our ingredients will be almond nuts. And for this recipe, I'm using 4 cups of almond nuts. So what you need to do is to wash thoroughly and soak for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, you can see the peel can easily go off. Then you're going to rinse again thoroughly until it's clean. And once you're done, you remove all the peels and leave it as clean as this. You can see this one is thoroughly cleaned. The next will be our other ingredients. So I added a little salt, vanilla extract, and date. Date is optional in case if you don't want it to be sweet. And for 4 cups of almond milk, you'll be using 6 cups of water. Now let's proceed. So we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, half tablespoon of salt. As you can see here, we're now going to mix completely with 6 cups of water. It is juicing time. And I'm juicing this with my Nema juice processor. This is very clean, very easy. You don't need to squeeze anything after processing because it kind of extracts it very nicely and the pulp comes out very dry at the end of it. So guys, let me know where you're watching me from. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to follow on Facebook and share as well. Now our milk is processing. You can see very healthy. This is plant-based milk, no lactose intolerant. If you're in a vegetarian, this will be an absolute favorite for you. And to be honest with you guys, this tastes so amazing. Remember, I added date for sweetening and it was super tasty, super delicious, and absolutely fresh. At least with this, you know what you're drinking because you process it yourself. And honestly, guys, it's very easy to make. Soak for 24 hours, then wash thoroughly, add the necessary ingredients you need to add, and voila, you have your milk ready. Now, this is it. We've added the dates, we added everything together. We are now going to stir nicely to mix, and this is our milk. Look at the pulp. You see how dry the pulp is because I'm using my Nama J2 juicer. And for the pulp, we are still going to use the pulp. You can use it for almond bread or make some cookies. And guys, remember as always to store in a very tight container and put in your refrigerator. This is a perfect, delicious, healthy milk for you. No preservative added, nothing added that you don't know about. Natural the way it should be. If you're not tolerating the animal milk, I would advise you switch to this.